Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to do basic settings in WordPress blog. So friends, if you want to optimize your blog, if you want to do SEO of your blog, if you want to get traffic on your blog, then friends you should have done basic recommended settings. So let me tell you how to do basic settings in WordPress blog. You can see this is my WordPress dashboard. You have to click on settings, then click on general. Okay, click here. Now you can see here site title. Site title is a title of your blog, name of your blog, like this. You can see Mahi Care is the title of my blog here. Okay, it will show here. Okay, Mahi Care is the title of my blog. Okay, and tagline, health and fitness guide. You can see tagline. So friends, tagline displays short description of your blog. It will show here. You can see health and fitness guide. Okay, it's a short description. Now you have to provide your URL, WordPress URL. This WordPress URL present here where your all files present in WordPress directory. It will be the URL and your site URL will be this one, https colon this one will be your site URL. Okay, now administrative email address. So your email administrator email address will be show here. If you want to change, you can change here. You can change from here. Okay, you can see now membership. If you will select this option, anyone can register on your blog. Okay, so it's not recommended. You can uncheck it. You should have you should uncheck this option. Okay, otherwise anyone can register on your blog and hack your blog. So you can uncheck this one. Okay, next setting is new user default role. So new user default role, what will be default role? Subscriber, SEO editor, SEO manager, contributor, author, editor, administrator. Here you can set your site language, in which language you are writing your blog. Here you have to select language here. Okay, now you have to select your time zone. What is your time zone? Okay, now your date formats will show on your site, display on your site here. Time format will, okay, week start on Monday to Friday or week start, and you can select here. If you want to start your week from Saturday, you can select Saturday. If you want to start your week from Monday, then you can select Monday. Now cache level normal. Now save changes. Now second setting is writing. Okay, on writing setting we can control our writing experience in WordPress. Okay, so you can see default post categories, uncategory. Okay, if you want to make your default categories, anyone you can choose here. For default post format standard. Okay, if you want to use your asides, chat, gallery, you can choose here default post format. Okay, now post via, if you want to post your blog via email, then you have to provide your mail server ID, login user ID and password here. Okay, now here your ping service. Now update service, if you will publish your new post, then it will automatic update on these services which is configured on your box. Okay, so you should have this service on your box. Now portfolio project, now you can enable portfolio project here if you have a portfolio. And testimonials, you can enable testimonial here. Now click on save change. Now third option is reading. Okay, now from here you can set your reading experience, like and which format you want to read your blog. So here you can see if your homepage display, if you want to display your homepage, your latest post, you can select here. Or if you want to set a static page, if you want to select any static page, you can select here. It will show on your homepage. Okay, let me show you. Right now here it's showing my latest post. Okay, so if I want to select a static post, DMC, okay, save change, you will see what will happen. It will show DMC page only on front page, home page. You can see this is home page. Okay, so I will keep it latest post. You can select any blog page. So at most here you can select your post on front page. How many posts will show here? You can select here. Let me show you. So let me show you how many posts it will show here. You can select here. It's showing 10 posts here. Okay, if you want to choose only 5 posts display on front page, home page, you can select 5. Syndication page show on the most recent 10. Okay, for each post in feed include full text except, but it depend on your themes. What themes you have chosen. Search engine visibility. You can select here discourage search engine from indexing the site. If you will select this option, your search engine ignore this site. Okay, so this site will not index on search engine. Okay, so uncheck it and click on save. Now our next is discussion. Okay, this is mainly for comments and default post settings. Okay, attempt to notify enable or link to from the post. So friends, if you will select this option, and when you will publish any post, it will send notification to other blogs which will link from your post. Okay, so allow link notification from other blogs. So if you allow this option, you can accept notification from other blogs, allow people to submit comment on new post. If you select, then people can submit comment on your post. Okay, comment setting is here. Comment author must be fill out name and email address. Okay, user must be registered and logged in comment. You can select this. Then user should be login. Okay, must be registered before commenting. Okay, so uncheck it. Automatic close comment on older posts 28 days, yes. Show comments cookies opt in checkbox. Allow comment author, no need to select. Enable thread nested 5 comment. Okay, break comment into pages 20 comment. Okay, now anyone post a comment, then email me. A comment is held for moderation, then email me. Okay, so before comment appear, comment must be manually approved, yes. Comment author must be previously approved, comment, yes. Comment moderation, hold comment in queue. If any comment have 2 or more link, then it should be hold in queue. Okay, disallow comment ke, you can disallow here. URL any you want to show authors. So if you want to show author on a comment, so you can see this author is like this. It's a small image of your profile picture. Okay, like this. Okay, now friends, fifth option is media. Here is a here from here you can set your image size. Thumbnail size should be 150. Okay, medium size is 300, large size 1000 1024. Okay, uploading file or organize my upload into month and year base folder. Okay, now save change and click on permalink. This is the main settings. Here you can define your permalinks, means you can define your URL. What is the format of your URL should be? So your URL should be simple. Okay, if you want to do your keep URL like this, page number 123 like, and date and time, date and name of post, month and name, archive, then you can keep like this. If you want to keep simple, only post name, then you can select it. It's a recommended post name. save change. And so friends, you have seen how to do basic settings in WordPress blog to optimize your WordPress blog to get high traffic on your blog. So friends, in coming video we will also, so in next coming video we will see in advanced settings. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.